Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for row 1, on the 5th chain from the hook I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll skip 2 and through this 3rd chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. Then through this next treble crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4. Then through that same chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. Through this next treble crochet chain that we have right here to the center I'll make 1 treble crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 2 treble crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Now right here through this triple crochet chain, right here through the center, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 2 triple crochet. Now right here through the center, through the triple crochet chain, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 2 triple crochet. Now through this next triple crochet chain that we have right here to the center, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 triple crochet. Through this triple crochet chain, right here through the center, I'll make 1 triple crochet. Now, through this last 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 triple crochet. So this completes row 2. So for the pattern, we repeat row 2. So we repeat this until our work measures 78 inches. So I actually use 2 different colors here because I ran out of pink yarn and I just put the equal amount of rows in black on both sides. I'm just going to finish off and then we'll be done. I'll just weave the ends in and then we'll be done. I actually like it, you know, like this in 2 different colors. So it measures 79 inches. If you want, you can put some tassels here. I'm just going to leave mine as it is. I kind of like it this way. It's more simple. But even better with 2 different colors.